In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write faster with Notion AI content suggestions. If you're looking to enhance your writing efficiency and boost your productivity, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and explore how you can use Notion AI to make your writing process smoother and more efficient. First, you'll want to navigate to your Notion workspace. Open your browser and go to the Notion homepage. Once you're there, look for the Private tab located on the left side of the menu. This is where you have the option to create a new page, which is crucial for setting the stage for your AI-assisted writing. Click on Add Page to start crafting your new document. Now, with your new page open, it's time to give it a title. This step is straightforward. Simply type in a title that reflects the content you're planning to create. It's always a good idea to choose a title that not only captures the essence of your content, but also keeps you focused on your main topic. Once your page is titled, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here, you'll find the Ask AI button, a fantastic feature that Notion offers to enhance your writing process. Click on it and get ready to tap into the power of AI to help you brainstorm, draft, and refine your ideas. Now comes the exciting part. Begin typing in the text of your choice. As you type, Notion AI will start providing suggestions to enhance your content. This can include offering alternative phrasings, suggesting additional points you might want to include, and even helping you with grammar and style improvements. The AI acts like a collaborative partner, helping you to refine and improve your writing without losing your unique voice. One of the most significant advantages of using Notion AI is its ability to help you overcome writer's block. If you find yourself stuck or unsure of how to continue, simply type a few keywords or sentences and let the AI provide suggestions to rekindle your creativity. To make the most out of Notion AI's suggestions, remember to review them carefully. While the AI is incredibly helpful, you'll want to ensure that the final content aligns with your original intent and maintains your personal style. Editing and refining are key components of the writing process, even when using AI assistance. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can leverage Notion AI to write faster and more efficiently. Whether you're drafting reports, writing blog posts, or working on any other kind of document, these AI-powered suggestions can be a game changer in your writing toolkit. Give it a try and see how it transforms your writing process. Happy writing!